Bismillah. Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 2.5 differentiation, question number 2 part 5. And the question is differentiate. So differentiate. First of all, the first step is always let y is equal to cos under root x plus under root sine x. In the right side variable is x, so we will differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to cos theta. Derivative of cos, this is our angle is under root x. So as I told you earlier, angle should be 1x. It means angle should be first cos x. Angle, here angle is 1. But we can see that in this question cos x is in the form of under root. So it means this is not a simple x, so we will again differentiate this angle. Now this is simple angle and we will differentiate, but this is under the power. So first of all we will apply the power rule. Now differentiate d by dx cos under root x plus d by dx under root sine x. Now derivative of cos theta. Cos theta means cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sine x. So we'll write derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine x. X is here under root x. So this is not simple x or one angle or 1x. So we will again differentiate this angle. Angle is under root x plus d by d. First of all, we will apply power rule according to power rule. 1 by 2 n. N is 1 by 2 because the value of under root is 1 by 2. And n is 1 by 2. N x. X is sine x. N x n minus 1. Now we remove the power term, and after solving the power term we will differentiate this. This is not a simple x. This is not in the form of differentiation form. If this is not in differentiation form, we will not differentiate. For example, if this is simple x, so we'll d by dx with respect to dx is 1. So we will not again differentiate. But this is not a simple x. This is sine x. So again we will differentiate sine x. Now derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta, and derivative this is not a simple angle, it means 1x, so we will again differentiate. Now this is in the form of power. First of all we will remove the power. After removing the power we will again differentiate this term. Now minus sine under root x, derivative of under root x is, here we apply power rule according to power rule, and n is 1 by 2. X is simple as n x n minus 1. Now this is simple x, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so there is no need to write 1. Plus 1 by 2 sine 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 become minus 1 by 2x. Derivative of sine x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. So cos x. minus sine under root x 1 by 2 x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 becomes minus 1 by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 sine minus 1 by 2. This in the numerator. When we take in the denominator, minus 1 by 2 becomes positive 1 by 2 dot cos x. Now minus sine under root x by 2, when we take in the numerator, this is in the numerator. When taken the denominator, minus 1 by 2 becomes positive 1 by 2, and positive 1 by 2 becomes under root plus 1 by 2. Positive 1 by 2 I will write in the form of sine x. Now this 1 multiply cos x becomes cos x. So 1 by 2 is common one from both these two both terms, so we'll take common 1 by 2. What is left? Minus sine under root x divided by under root x plus cos x divided by under root sine x, which is our required solution.